Hi Year 6, welcome to offline music lesson. Today I'm going to make it more clear about how to do a major scale on the guitar fretboard. As I say in our previous lesson that there are two ways to do a major scale in the guitar fretboard. Which is the first one is you can do it linear direction or horizontal direction, and the second one is you can do it vertically, which is the directions going that way. Okay, let me show you how to do the linear way first. The formula that we are going to use is of course the same formula like the one you are doing it on the piano, which is whole, whole, half, whole, 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 half. Okay, in the guitar, if I say whole step up, it means, for example, we start from here. Whole step up, it means you're skipping one fret, so you're going to here. Okay, but if I say half step up, it means you're going to the fret just next to it here. Okay, if I ask you to do whole step down, it means from here you're going to here. Okay, if I say half step down, it means from here to here. Okay, let's try the linear direction for a major scale. Okay, let me start the major scale from the C note in the fretboard. Okay, the C from the 5th string 3rd fret, which is here. So if you're doing it a linear way, okay, let's count it as the major scale formula. This is the do, do. Next one is a whole step up, whole step up, half step, whole step, whole step, whole step, half step. Okay, if I'm going back, okay, that was easy. Okay, how about if I want to do that in a G? Okay, if the notes start from the G here, G 6th string here. Okay, let's do this. Okay, how about if I want to do it from A from the 3rd string, which is here. Okay, okay, so I'm using the same formula, of course. Whole, whole, half, whole, whole, whole step, half step. Okay, so that's the linear way direction for doing major scale in the guitar fretboard. Now let's try the vertical way. Are you ready? For the vertical direction, at this time, I'm going to divide it into 2 strings only for the starting note. The strings are 5th string and the 6th string, 5th string and 6th string. Okay. And each of the strings will get 2 shapes of major scale. Okay, let's start from the 6th string. Okay, at this time, let's just do it in the key of C. So we are going to do C major scale for 1 octave. 1 octave means you're doing C, go up until meet another C again. The C that we will start is in here, in the 5th string, 3rd fret. Okay, so this is the first note, so we are going to do this vertically. So my target note is from here going to here, the high C. Okay, so this is the first shape of the 5th string. Okay, let's do this. Do, re, open 4th string, mi, fa, open 3rd string, la, si, do. Okay, so that was the C major scale from the 5th string, the first shape of the 5th string. Let me do it again. Okay, now I'm going to play exactly the same shape, but I'm going to do it from D. So if this is our C, so if I want to go to the D note, it means I have to go a whole step up from the C, which is here. Okay, I'm still using the same shape, I just changed position to the D. Okay, but the problem is with the D major scale, you cannot do this with the 3rd finger. So we are doing with the 3rd finger only in here because it involves an open string here. That's why you have to do this with the 3rd finger. But in the D, there's no open string, so you have to do this with the 4th finger. Okay, so the D from here. I'm doing the same shape. Okay. Do, re, mi, fa, so, la, si, do. Okay, let me do it again. Okay, now I'm going to do the second shape of the fifth string, the second shape of the major scale from the fifth string. So it's still C major scale, and later I'm going to move it to D major scale, okay, like what I just did before. Okay, this is the second shape of the major scale from the fifth string. Okay, let me do it again. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Okay, now with the same shape, now I'm going to move it to the D, which is a whole step up from the C. So now I'm going to do a D major scale with exactly the same shape as I just did in the C major scale. Look. One more time. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Okay, how about if I want to do it in the key of F major scale? Of course you can. Still in the fifth string. Okay, if this is our D, if I want to go to F, it means D, E, F. It's here. Okay, let's try. Still using the same second shape of the fifth string. F major scale. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Okay. So this is why they call the guitar is a symmetrical instrument, because with the same shape, you just move it up or move it down, you can get another different pitch or key center. Okay, now let's go on with the sixth string now. So I'm going to start the note in the sixth string. Let's do with the C major scale from the sixth string. Okay, C major scale from the sixth string, you can find it in the fret 8, fret number 8, which is here. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. For the first shape of the sixth string, you have to start with the fourth finger, with the pinky. Let's do it. Do, re, So this was my target note. From here, from C to high C here. Okay. Let me do it again. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Okay. How about if I want to do this in the key of D major scale? For sure, you can do this. You can just move it up to the D note. Here we go. A whole step up from the C. This is C, and this is D. Okay, with this exactly the same shape, I'm going to do a D major scale. Let me do it again. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, si, do. See? D. Okay, now let's go to the second shape of the sixth string. So for the second shape of the sixth string, you're going to use the second finger here, the middle finger. Okay, let's do the C major scale. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, si, do. Let me repeat it. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, si, do. Okay. Now I want to move it to D major scale. Okay, I just go a whole step up from the C, which is here. D. D major scale. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Let me repeat it again. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Okay. Okay, let me review back again. So in the fifth string, the first shape, your target note is from here to here. Okay, so that's your target note. The second shape of the fifth string, your target note is the sixth string, your target note is the octave. Okay, the second shape of the sixth string. Okay, so that is why they call the guitar a symmetrical instrument, because you just need to learn shapes and you can just move around, changing the position in the fretboard, and you can get another different pitch or key center. That's all for today. Thank you everyone. Let me see you next week doing the major scale. Okay? Bye.